I mounted the microphone a little bit different this time. I'm gonna take the jacket. I'm gonna take you on a quick tour from Honolulu to Waimanalo, which is on the east side. I gotta get some gas too. Oh, if you look to the left, that's where we're actually heading. It doesn't really look very convincing. Well, I'm not gonna pussy out now. Yeah, so this mountain over there is actually a good indicator in terms of the weather, because usually always the wind comes from there towards the ocean. Not the wind only, but also the clouds with the wind, obviously. In case there are rain clouds, you can easily tell if it's going to be a good or a bad idea to drive over to Kailua. Right now it looks like a pretty bad idea. Oh, it actually doesn't look too bad. Over there in the valley you can see. Oh, it's really bad over there. Focusing right on that valley. But that's not where we're going. We're actually going this way. So, let's hope for the best. Yeah, that valley looks like the Valley of Tears. Yeah, that's where I gotta go to. Okay. It's a little much. Tuck tuck, magic trick. I figured I'll try cleaning the lens as soon as we pass the rain. So this is the Pali Highway. It's going to lead us to Kailua. And before we enter Kailua, we're actually going to turn right towards Waimanalo, where I feel like we have the nicest beaches on this island. Where the beach is at. A wonderful golf course here on the left. See the country club road. Can't see the golf course, but trust me, it's there. Let's just follow this guy. We're hitting a little bit of traffic here, but nothing we can't deal with. I remember the first couple of months I was here as a student back in 2009. This road was one of those moments where I was like, wow, this is amazing. We have all this beautiful nature right out of town, and it's just amazing. You're literally living in a major city compared to German standards. And right next to your home there are beaches, and there's this wonderful piece of land. I mean, look at that. And I'm really happy that I still appreciate it. Let's see if we can sneak by that bus. So, I mean, just look at it. The only negative thing that you could say is that it's raining here more often than anywhere else, but that's just because the clouds are getting stuck on the mountains, and therefore it doesn't rain too much in the city, except for the last couple of days. I mean, that was just ridiculous. Well, look at those, you can even see those waterfalls coming down now. I mean, just look over there. It's so mystical. Like a mystical forest, mystical mountain ridge. Got the Pali Tunnel, and ideally, once we exit the second tunnel, you will see a wonderful landscape with only sun and beaches And how does it look like? A little bit cloudy today, to be honest, but it's so beautiful. Right in front of us is Kailua Beach. That's where you can learn how to kite surf and canoe. Oh, look at this dog. Wow, 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 wow. Looks kind of slippery here. Always worried. Look at that. I mean, it hasn't rained. I'm impressed. I'm very happy about that fact. So on the left here, you would turn to Kaneohe, where we have a Marine Corps base. On the right, we have a cool little spot called 13th. There's, I think there are 13 corners. Especially nice for guys that like to lean, especially on dry days. Maybe not so much today. There's still a little bit of hope that doesn't make it worse. Why is it not this way? Oh, it's better. Boom. It's almost about to fall off here. That's not too good. Look at that. Beautiful. So lush and so green, obviously, from all the rain. It just gives you a different kind of nature. Energy, I mean, this nature. Guess these guys are hunting. Okay, straight it goes to Kailua, but we're turning right towards Waimanalo. I think I have to stick this around because that's not really working. I'll better fix it, just like I fixed my just like I fixed my glove. At least here I fixed it, here I didn't, and look what happened. So actually, even though this looks totally amateur-like, it actually helped. Look at the other stuff. I mean, that's just busted. Unbelievable. I don't know, like $80 gloves. Yeah, some of you will say, oh, $80, mine were like $120. But hey, if you think about it, $80 gloves, that's a lot. Some people live for that type of money for like 2 months. But look at this view. Let's not worry. Isn't it fantastic? Kailua on the left side and Waimanalo right in front of us. A lot of potholes as well. Oh, that might look like something special. I love the sunlight coming in like that. Oh, yeah, look at that ridge. Oh my God, you ridge. You sexy little ridge. Another really nice golf course coming up on the left here. And look at this wall of awesomeness. Challenging the clouds to collide and stop them on their way. They shall not pass, and if they will, then only in pieces. Last time I was here, I actually ran out of gas. I should have just filled up here, where I had to walk back. Alright, so you can see some kids in that Tesla in the back seat, in the trunk. And what I read recently is that I think it was somewhere on the mainland, people and police was actually stopping a Tesla owner because they put kids in their trunk, and it looked like they were abducting them, but actually they were just placing them in the seats of the trunk, probably to just have them as far away as possible. Oh, pothole. This is approximately where my bike ran out of gas, so I had to walk back, and it was really rainy that day. Oh, and it was wet too, just like here. Okay, so this is a military... Oh, public beach closed? I think it's open. Well, I don't know if the beach is open, but the military beach and camping is here. And so a couple of my friends are here. They're here for Thanksgiving, and I haven't seen them for a long time, so I thought I'll just stop by and say hello and use the hopefully dry weather to show you guys around a little bit. So this is Bellows Beach, and I think on the weekends it's accessible to the public. And if you guys are around Waimanalo, you should come down here. It's really nice. You can park right next to the beach, American style, and you don't need to walk too much, and you can enjoy the beach. It's wonderful. But during the week you should probably not be here, because there is well, first of all, it's closed. Oh, the beach is closed due to military training today, so I guess that's what happens here every day during the week. I don't know where my friends park, but they're probably around here somewhere. Maybe we'll see like a giant hovercraft come onto the beach. Well, I see people there. I'll announce myself in case I don't see them. Maybe they'll hear me. Yeah, I'm just gonna... I actually like riding right now so much I don't even want to sit there too long. Just going to say hi, hello, and bye. Yeah, you can camp here and have a good time, I guess. Okay, camping and parking. Oh, okay. I think this is where I gotta go. I can see her already. Hey, how's it going?
Good. No one is here.
Huh?
Nobody is here.
Yeah, you're the only one, huh?
Yeah.
No, I gotta put that somewhere else. Hey.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good. Yeah, they're here, but they went to Lanikai.
What?
Because it's brown water.
Oh.
And I said that was in Kailua. It's also brown water, and it's windy, so I don't want to go back.
So you're gonna be here by yourself?
No, Julia, Casio, her boyfriend, Nelly from Seattle, and her boyfriend.
They're coming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, so they're coming back.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Bye. Nice to meet you. Yeah, have a good night. It's got dark so fast on this side because the sun is blocked by the mountains. I want to know what love is. I want you to show me.